Welcome viewers, welcome to our channel Zing. Hi, I'm Doel and today I will be speaking to you on a substance which is the most common substance on earth. A substance which is the other name of life. I think you've guessed by now. I am speaking about water. Today, I will be discussing with you some very uncommon uses of water which most of us are not aware. In the incessant heat which is going on all over West Bengal and probably all through India, hydration of body is of course one of the most important thing. Water is a hydrating agent. Water consumed as water or water consumed in any other form as a fluid is definitely a hydrating agent, absolutely necessary for us to beat this kind of heat. This fact is something all of us are aware. But today, in this video, as I told you, we will be discussing about some very uncommon uses of water. Stay put and listen to them and see how good they are applicable in your everyday life. Water, chemically made of 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. The formula being H2O, transparent in color, and the other name for life. That is the chemical composition of our regular water. Its melting point being 0 degrees Celsius and its boiling point being 100 degrees Celsius. The only substance which can exist in all the 3 states of matter, namely solid, liquid and gas. Water. We discussed about its chemical formula and its uniquity. But today we are going to discuss about some very unknown functions of water. Let us come to the first point. Did you know there is something prevalent called water therapy? You must have heard about it. Do you know that water therapy, when done in a proper way, facilitates weight loss? But what is the method? The method is you should drink at least 250 ml or 1 regular glass of water or 2 regular glasses of water if possible after you wake up from sleep on an empty stomach without brushing your teeth. After that, you should give a 45 minutes gap from your breakfast. After drinking that water, take your breakfast 45 minutes later. And then after all the meals you consume, mainly lunch, dinner or your evening snacks, try to consume those meals within 15 minutes and give a 2-hour gap from the meal to drinking water. That is, if you complete your lunch by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, drink 250 ml to 500 ml of water at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and likewise. This is how water therapy is done. Includes consumption of nearly 3 to 3.5 liters of water with this gap. After the meal, a 2 hours gap. After waking up from sleep, a 45 minutes gap. And in between, you can consume any amount of water. That is, after lunch at 1, if you consume water at 3, you can again consume water at 4, provided you have not taken anything solid prior to that. This is called water therapy, and It facilitates weight loss. It is proved to facilitate weight loss. It is also a proven therapy to reduce acid reflux or excess hydrochloric acid secretion in your stomach, which gives you the problem of acidity. This water therapy is extremely useful in controlling that. Water therapy done in the way I explained to you also helps in proper blood circulation and improves immunity of your body. This is a therapy which is very, very easy to follow if you have the practice of it, giving you excellent results. This is one of the very uncommon and unknown functions of water. The second unknown function of water, our everyday friend, is water reduces the calorie density of food. A food which has got a higher water percentage, like watermelon, like apple, essentially facilitates weight loss because the water content being nearly 70 to 80% of the total reduces the calorie content or the calorie density of that particular food and facilitates weight loss. So water as a calorie density reduction agent is another very important and a little uncommon factor of function of water. Water extremely essential for your body function. It regulates your body temperature. It moistens the tissues in eyes, nose and mouth. It protects your body organs and tissues. It carries nutrients and oxygen to cells. It lubricates your joints. It lubricates your joints. It lessens the burden of liver and kidney by flushing out the waste products. My dear viewers, the list is endless. These were a few points of how water has got a very, very important role in everyday functioning of our body. Maybe we are not aware of them. This video is all about making you aware of the unknown uses of water. Water also has a very important role in a procedure called hydrotherapy, where exercise is done submerged in water, specifically a pool. This helps in paralysis and arthritic conditions of the body. It is done under a trained expert, and water being a very fluid, a very light kind of liquid, does not have any harsh effect on your joints. And hydrotherapy has helped patients with paralysis and patients with arthritis, which is very common nowadays, in many ways. Hydrotherapy is one of the very newest use of water, which many of us are not aware. Water is an universal solvent. You can dissolve most of the things in water, and that is the reason it can be used in a variety of purposes. Today I'm going to tell you a very important drink which can be prepared at home with water and has got manifold uses. You're aware of cinnamon or darchini as we call it in Bengali. If you soak 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon in water overnight or for 3 to 4 hours and extract that water and drink it through the full day, this will help you to lose weight, to build up your immunity. It will help in people with ovarian cysts. It will help people to reduce your cholesterol, sometimes to reduce your sugar level. There are a variety of uses of cinnamon water. I just mentioned a very important few. It's extremely easy to prepare. Just 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon soaked in water for a minimum of 3 hours and a maximum of 12 hours, and drink that water all through the day. Another very important use of water. Make cinnamon water and you can start drinking for a variety of its uses. My dear viewers, in today's video we discussed the unconventional functions of our everyday liquid, water. If you liked it, do get back to us and do follow us on our YouTube channel. For any queries you have, you can always get back to us on www.zingfitclinic.com or contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Insta, Pinterest for our new posts and the new technologies which we are coming up with at ZingFit. Our next video will be on a very new technology that we are about to launch in ZingFit, which gives you excellent target zone inch loss and all-round weight loss. It is known as Zing Opti Body Contour, and it is done with a specialized machine called Body Optimizer and a combination of many more things. I hope you enjoyed this video on water, and I would advise you to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day, whether it's cinnamon water, whether it's your regular sarbat, or whether it's water as water. Every day, provided you don't have any restrictions from medical point of view. Please do drink water, stay hydrated, and we'll be coming back next week with a very interesting topic of Opti Body Contour. Till then, it's goodbye from Doel. Stay happy, stay well, stay fit, and stay Zing.